Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic Sichuan dish, spicy chicken with chili, or 辣子鸡丁. Just look at it. Crispy golden chicken, smoky dried chilies, and crunchy peanuts. It smells amazing, and trust me, it tastes even better. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a bunch of dried chilies and snip them into sections. Pour over some hot water and let them soak for about 30 minutes. Next up, I've got one chicken leg. Let's take out the bones. Slice it into strips, then cut into small cubes. Once that's done, rinse the chicken a few times in clean water and make sure to drain it thoroughly. Now let's marinate. In a small bowl, rub some scallion and ginger with a splash of cooking wine to release the juices. Pour the scallion ginger water over the chicken. Then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 5 grams of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of white pepper. Mix it all in. Now crack in 1 egg yolk. Mix again. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of dry cornstarch. Massage it well and set aside. Now for the chili mix. In an empty plate, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Take a handful of soaked chilies and mix them with the ginger chunks and garlic. The rest of the chilies go straight into the plate with the cornstarch and sesame seeds. Add 1 teaspoon salt and half an egg white. Give everything a good toss until it's well coated. For garnish, I've also got some scallion sections and roasted peanuts ready to go. Okay, all the prep is done. Let's cook. Heat oil in the wok to about 120 degrees Celsius. Drop in the chili mixture we prepared and fry until crispy. Then scoop it out. Now bring the oil up a bit hotter, about 160 degrees Celsius. Drop in the chicken cubes. Keep the heat high. Fry until they are golden, crispy on the outside, and fragrant. Take them out and drain the excess oil. Leave a little oil in the wok. Toss in the ginger, garlic, and some of those chilies. Stir fry until fragrant. Then in go the scallion sections and the Sichuan peppercorns. Stir until everything smells incredible. Now toss in the peanuts, followed by the chicken. And finally, the crispy chilies. Keep the heat high and stir everything together. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, and right before it's done, drizzle in a tablespoon of chili oil and a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil. Quick toss and it's ready. Look at this: crispy chicken, smoky chilies, crunchy peanuts. The colors and aromas are just irresistible. Let me grab a bite. The chicken is fragrant and crispy. The chilies are crunchy. The peanuts are nutty and toasty. It's bold, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Super easy to make and super satisfying. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.